Measuring 20 inches wide and 27 inches long, the icart radar is a small, intelligent, obstacle-detecting electric vehicle that's particularly robust and stable. It's equipped with all the safety systems found on a car. Powerful LED headlights, turn signals, reverse gear, sport or cruise mode, horn, dual suspension, large tread tires, powerful disc brakes, anti-collision radar, and a master switch. It can easily carry over 350 pounds, over a distance of 15 miles, or 30 miles, depending on the battery chosen, and at a speed of 15 miles per hour, or 30 miles per hour, depending on cruise or sport mode. The icart radar has a removable carrying case that can accommodate over 25 pounds. The icart radar detects obstacles within an adjustable range of 6 feet to 30 feet. It automatically adapts to the speed of a pedestrian in front, or it stops if the obstacle is stationary. No disrespectful or dangerous driving towards pedestrians is possible. In crowded areas, it will never appear or brush against anyone by surprise. It will calmly remain behind people, without disturbing them, even if the driver applies full power. Overtaking can only be performed when the way is clear. As maneuverable as a bicycle, but with added stability, it has a reverse gear, and can reach 15 or 30 miles per hour forward, for over 12 miles, or over 24 miles depending on the battery option chosen, while carrying over 320 pounds. Its large tires and three-wheel structure ensure stability on all surfaces, and on any lateral slope. Its powerful disc brakes and anti-collision radar give the icart radar premium safety and respect for those around it.